Today is Sunday, March 26, 2017, and I'm recording this in Port Huron. Right now we're having a lot of rain, but it's not heavy rain, it's just falling. Since yesterday morning we had a lot of rain. It stopped for a while, but it's back up again. But it's a nice sounding rain, to sleep in when it hits the roof of your house, and you can hear it from the windows open. I don't have my windows open yet, but it's a spring day today, and finally we're getting the nice weather even though it's raining. And here is the rain on the sidewalk, hitting the sidewalk. And this is my front patio. Got to put the flowers in my cement flower pot this year. So if you can see the rain right there. Have a good week.